So today I'm going to be talking about writing compound sentences and using coordinating conjunctions. We actually have three different types of sentences that you are going to learn this year. They are compound sentences, then there are complex sentences, and then there are compound complex sentences. But for today we're just going to deal with compound sentences. A compound sentence is actually two sentences that are joined together using a coordinating conjunction. Each part is actually a complete sentence and can stand on its own. So for example, you might say, he went to the store, he bought bread. Those are two complete thoughts and they stand alone. But I can actually join them together and make one sentence that would be a compound sentence by saying, he went to the store and he bought bread. Now, one of the things to pay attention for in that sentence is, I didn't just say he went to the store and bought bread, because that second one wouldn't be a complete thought. It would just say bought bread, right? So there's no subject, we don't know who's doing it, and it relies on the previous subject. So when we're writing a compound sentence, we have to have two subjects and we need to have two verbs. So quickly, I'm gonna just show you, if you do a search here on Google, you'll find the topic that I use is writing compound sentences with coordinating conjunctions. And you're going to see there's a lot of information here. One of the things that I want you to see is a video that I actually have in this video that you can use. But one thing I'd like you to take a look at is this part right here. This is from Grammar Bites. It's a great resource. They have lots of information and they talk about the coordinating conjunction. Now there are 7 coordinating conjunctions that you have to learn. They are called the FANBOYS. They are for and nor, but, or, yet, and so. And when you're doing your writing, you're going to want to get to know them. So if you learn to identify those quickly and memorize them, I think you'll find that your writing will greatly improve. So this page here, I would definitely recommend that you spend a little time looking it over, see how they are used, understand the difference between coordinating conjunctions and something that we're going to learn later called a subordinating conjunction. We'll see that again a little bit later in the year. Then as we move down, you'll see there's lots of information over here about what they are, and you can see these are some coordinating and subordinating conjunctions in these sentences. Take a few minutes, look it over, read through the passage, understand what is going on, how to punctuate them, and that's something that you can definitely work with. Next thing I want to do is actually share a video with you, and this video is a YouTube video. It's 5 minutes, 50 seconds long or so, and the reason why I want you to read it or to watch it is because, truthfully, it's really, really helpful. She's very clear. It's very simple. She speaks very well, and I think you'll be able to get a good understanding of what's going on. So tap that, watch that video, and let me know what you think of that, and hopefully that should be helpful. If you have any questions, bring them to class. Again, I just want to point out these are the FANBOYS, for and nor, but, or, yet, so. I'll often say them in a slightly different order. I expect you to know them. If I tell you, I want you to share with me what the coordinating conjunctions are, you should be able to very quickly tell me FANBOYS, and then stand by and say FANBOYS, for and nor, but, or, yet, so. Okay? So that's the extent of my video today. Very, very short one, 3.5 minutes, 4 minutes, and then there's a 5-minute video that you should watch on YouTube. Feel free to go back and take a look at that Google search that I did. That should help you get the information that you need to know how to write a compound sentence. We're going to be looking at them in our next piece of reading that we're going to do for our writing, and I'm going to be expecting to see some of it in your writing. Good luck. Hopefully this all went well.